Welcome back to UA Technical Solutions. In today's tutorial, we will learn how can we check the main PCB functionality of LG Multi-V Series 5 via measuring the PCB DC voltage, also known as SMPS voltage. This procedure is used to verify voltage tolerance. To start, set the multimeter on DC voltage and remove the CN OPT01 connector. Put the black probe of the meter on pin number 2 of the connector and red probe on pin number 1 of the connector. It should read 5 volt DC. If voltage are below 4.5 DC, it is considered abnormal. Next step is to keep the black probe of the meter on pin number 2 of the connector and put the red probe on pin number 7 of the connector. It should read 12 volt DC. If voltage are 11 volt DC or below, it is considered abnormal. Second step is to check the main extension voltage. As seen, there are 3 points on the PCB labeled as GND, 5 volt and 12 volts. Set the black probe of the meter on GND and red probe on 5V. It should show 5 to 4.5 volt DC on a meter. If it reads 4 volt or below, it is considered abnormal. Now, keep the black probe of the meter on GND and put red probe on 12V. It should show 12 to 1.5 volt DC on a meter. If it reads 11 volt or below, it is considered abnormal. Next step is to check voltage on the common side of the PCB. As seen, it has 3 points labeled as GND, 5V, and 12V. Set the black probe on GND and red probe on 5V. It should show 5 to 4.5 volt DC. If it shows 4 or below, it is considered abnormal. Keep the black probe on GND and put red probe on 12V. It should show 12 to 11.5 volt DC. If it shows 11 or below, it is considered abnormal. Last step is to check the DC voltage of the connector SIN EXTBL. Set the black probe of multimeter on pin number 4 and red probe on pin number 5. It should show between 5 to 4.5 volts DC. If it reads 4 or below, it is considered abnormal. Now keep the black probe of multimeter on pin number 4 and put red probe on pin number 6. It should show between 12 to 11.5 volts DC. If it reads 11 or below, it is considered abnormal. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe us at UA Technical Solutions. Let us know in the comment section the topics of your choice to make this channel more relevant to you.